আসসালামু আলাইকুম। এবিসি লার্নিং ইয়ার্ডে সবাইকে স্বাগতম। আমাদের আজকের আলোচ্য বিষয় হাউ টু বুক এ রুম ইন এ হোটেল। আজকের এই আলোচ্য সূচির মাধ্যমে আমরা শিখতে পারবো কিভাবে ইংরেজিতে কথা বলার মাধ্যমে একটি হোটেলে রুম বুক করতে হয়। তাহলে চলুন শুরু করা যাক।
We love to travel around the world. So, it's important to know how to book a room in a hotel. Here we will about this topic very easily. And let's learn with APC Learning Yard.
Hi, welcome to the Greenland Hotel. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like a room for tonight. Do you have any vacancies?
Yes, sir. Would you like a single room or a double room?
A single room, please.
How long will you be staying?
For 3 nights.
Okay, would you like a king-size bed or a queen size?
Well, king-size bed, please.
Smoking, non-smoking?
Non-smoking.
Sure, and would you rather have a room with a view of the ocean or the forest?
It doesn't really matter to me, whichever one is cheaper.
Sure, it's going to be $55 per night. Can I have your ID, please?
Here it is.
Alright, could you sign here, please?
No problem. Do you accept American Express?
Sure, any Visa, MasterCard or American Express.
Perfect. Here is my card.
Thank you. Is there a phone number where you can be contacted?
Yes, it is 004-444.
Okay. Here's your key. Your room number is 276. It's on the 2nd floor. You can take the elevators behind us. If you need anything, just dial 9 for the reception.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay.